In this lecture, I will discuss the menu bar of Autodesk AutoCAD 2021. Okay, here is I have opened a file start.dwg file that is present in the exercise folder. Okay, here in the exercise folder, first folder, that is getting started with AutoCAD interface. Okay, in this lecture I will discuss the AutoCAD interface. Here is the home, and in the home here, there are different tabs. Okay, for example, in sections form like draw toolbar, modify, annotation, layers, block, properties, etc., and measurement. Okay, similarly in the insert there are further many tools, okay, that we can play as per our requirements. Okay, in the home, for example, when you see there is a triangle drop down button, when you click there are more options. If you want to pin, then you can work. Okay, and the draw toolbar will remain at the same location. Okay, when you click unpin, then it will go back into its original position. Similarly, if you are working insert but you want to play with the draw toolbar, so you do not see the draw toolbar here, how you can manage that? Here you will go in the home. Okay, in the home you will click here and drag it down. Then when you go in the insert tab, then you can see and you can use any option. Okay, there is one more beautiful function that is present in the capital A. Click here. Here you can search the whole or any command of the AutoCAD. For example, I am searching line command. Okay, all the, for example, line, construction line, all types of lines. Okay, for example, I am searching do not. Okay, join, any. Okay, so it will also give you path, or you can also click from here. For example, I will click join. Okay, you can see this option is also enabled. Okay, so this home, and this is the ribbon menu. Okay, ribbon menu, you can change its type. For example, here is the minimize, different options. Okay, you can play, or you can also select from here. Okay, there is also keyword for a keyword search. You can find help, etc., all these types of things. Okay, so that's about the user interface. There is one more thing you will see in the previous versions. Here is the status window where you will see the coordinates. Okay, in this AutoCAD you are not seeing the coordinates. So how you can enable? You will go customization. At the top you will click coordinates. Okay, you can see the coordinates are enabled. Okay, now you can see we are in the 2D, so that's why only X and Y. Z is not enabled. Okay, that's why Z is 0. So that's all for user interface AutoCAD 2021. So we will see in the next lectures. Have a nice day.